Sunday, August 15th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll add some Lawnstar Iron to the grass. As you know, I fertilized 2 weeks ago. It's still stressing, high temps. It's not as bad as I think, but we can do a lot better. Let's take a look at the rose bushes. I've been clipping them. They've been growing, greener, thicker, real healthy. Over here, not so much. Haven't cut as much, but I'll do so real soon to help it grow. As for the Creeping Phlox, just about dead. I planted, saw there was a problem early, took them out, put them in a big pot, took them out those pots, put them in a smaller pot. Now this. I don't know what to do. I think I'll clean up back here before I green up the grass, so to speak. You know my process back here by now. I mow, use my scissors to cut by the edges, use my trimmer, a little sweeping. Definitely pull some weeds by this fence too. Always read the instructions, and again, this is based on how much square feet you have in your yard. I know I don't have 1,000 square feet back here. Still want to use about 4 ounces. I think that'll work for me. Let's try it. Got my sprayer. Love this thing. It's like my 4th one. Okay, open the package. Here's my cup. And I'll stop at the 4-ounce line. Yeah, I went over. Yeah, I did. Okay, instead of 4, looks like 6, maybe 8. But you know what? I haven't done anything like this. I've never given the lawn iron, so we'll see what happens. Forgot to tell you guys to wear gloves and wear some safety goggles. You don't want this stuff splashing in your eyes. So I'll just take the cup, pour it in the sprayer, just like this. Nothing to it. By the way, you can also use this to green up your flowers, shrubs, and trees. In case you were wondering. I know there are better sprayers that cover a whole lot more ground than this. But it's cheap. I like cheap. Just don't like working hard. It's actually covering it well. I know I'll miss a spot or two, but that's normal. Especially with something like this. Hope the grass greens up in the next few days. I think this will work. I ran out, so I had to add more water and iron to the sprayer. Came back over, finished up. Like I said, we'll see what happens. If I use too much, the grass will turn black. That'll let you know you messed up. Anyway, you guys have been great. Thanks for watching. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.